Now you got that weird angle.
Pencil. Every object continues in a state of rest or of motion in a straight line at constant speed unless it is compelled to change that state by force exerted upon it. When the pencil is thrown, it bounces off the wall, which is a force acting on the pencil, moving it backwards and causing it to stop. Newton's second law states the acceleration produced by a net force on an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force. It is the same direction as the net force, and is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Or, in equation form, the acceleration is proportional to net force over the mass. Let go.
Go.
Newton's third law states whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. One force is called the action force. The other force is called the reaction force. It doesn't matter which force we call action and which we call reaction. As you push onto the wall exerts the same amount of force you exert onto the wall. By pushing onto the wall, your hand and the wall are causing an equal and opposite reaction, causing you now to go through the wall. We're planets, and we're attracted by gravitational force. The closer we get to each other, the more gravitational force we have. And the farther apart we get from each other, the less gravitational force we have. If I have more mass, my weight changes, but our distance doesn't change from each other. Therefore, the force stays the same. To find the force between the objects, take the mass of one object, the mass of the other, multiply them, and divide them by the distance squared. The greater the mass of a planet or an object is greater the force between them. Centripetal force moves you towards the center, and centrifugal force pushes you away from the center.
The marble's moving in a circular path. The wall of the roll of tape is applying a centripetal force inward on the marble, causing it to go in a circular path. If the centripetal force is removed, the marble will move in a straight line because it has inertia.
Centripetal, centrifugal. Hi. No, we're just practicing. Don't worry about it. So I'm just stroking my beard because I'm like Isaac Newton and all. So. Okay, ready?